Hands-on with Roborock Qrevo Edge. 5v1 powerful suction and precise edge cleaning in a mid-range robot vacuum. Roborock, a well-known brand in the smart home cleaning space, has introduced its latest mid-range robot vacuum, the Qrevo Edge 5v1 in 2025. This new model marks a significant upgrade in the Qrevo lineup, incorporating advanced features that were previously reserved for premium-level devices. With a particular focus on corner cleaning, true to the Edge name, the Qrevo Edge 5v1 promises to bring both power and precision to mid-tier robotic cleaning solutions. The Qrevo series has long been Roborock's flagship line for mid-range and upper mid-range robotic vacuums. With the introduction of the Qrevo Edge 5v1, the company solidifies its foothold in the highly competitive mid to high segment. It aims to directly challenge competitors such as the Ecovacs T80 Omni, Xiaomi X20 Max, and Dream L30s Ultra. The key selling point of the Qrevo Edge 5v1 is its ability to clean corners and edges effectively, an area where many mid-range robots struggle. This feature is enhanced by new flexible cleaning tools and a powerful suction motor, setting it apart from other models in the same price range. The Qrevo Edge 5v1 is available in two colors: sleek black or clean white. The unit reviewed here is the white version, which offers a harmonious and cohesive look from the robot itself to its charging dock. The charging station features rounded edges and is divided into three distinct sections: the robot charging and cleaning area, the dust bag compartment, and the water tank housing. Roborock's attention to detail is evident in the dock's design. Subtle vertical grooves on the surface break the monotony, while a large capacity dust bag compartment ensures fewer trips to empty the bin. The rear of the dock cleverly hides cable management, while the left side hosts an air vent to dissipate heat during the mop washing and drying cycle. On top, the dock holds two water tanks, one for clean water and one for dirty water, each with a generous 4-liter capacity. The Qrevo Edge 5v1 boasts a maximum suction power of 18,500 pascals, making it the strongest in its mid-range category. This ensures that the robot can tackle stubborn dirt and debris on a variety of surfaces, including carpets and tight crevices. With such suction strength, users can expect efficient removal of dust, pet hair, and other particles that often accumulate in hard-to-reach areas. What truly differentiates the Qrevo Edge 5v1 from competitors is its Flexi-Arm technology, a flexible, retractable side brush and mop system that mimics features traditionally found only in high-end Roborock models like the S8 and Saros. The side brush, called Flexi-Arm Arc, extends to reach corners and edges, effectively sweeping debris toward the vacuum intake. The mop features dual spinning pads that rotate at 200 RPM. Providing thorough scrubbing power. Both the brush and mop can retract as needed, allowing the robot to maneuver around furniture legs and obstacles without damage or tangling. Additionally, the Qrevo Edge 5v1 uses a duo divide anti-tangle main brush, which helps prevent hair and fibers from wrapping around the roller, reducing maintenance efforts. Roborock has equipped the Qrevo Edge 5v1 with advanced mop functionality. The robot offers 30 levels of water flow adjustment via the dedicated app, enabling customized cleaning intensity depending on floor types and dirt levels. Moreover, it raises the mop by up to 10 mm when transitioning onto carpets to prevent moisture damage. The two 4-liter water tanks in the charging dock support a self-washing and drying system. The mop pads are cleaned with hot water at 75 C and dried with warm air at 45 C. Ensuring hygiene and preventing mildew buildup. The dock itself can automatically detect the mop's dirtiness level and adjust the cleaning cycle accordingly, a feature that adds a layer of convenience and efficiency for users. For navigation, the Qrevo Edge 5v1 integrates reactive AI technology, which combines a traditional lidar sensor on top of the robot with a network of sensors placed around and beneath the device. This sensor suite enables precise room mapping and dynamic obstacle detection, allowing the robot to avoid furniture, cords, and other common household obstacles. Interestingly, unlike some competitors, this model does not feature a camera or LED lighting for navigation. Instead, it relies fully on sensor data. and AI algorithms, optimized for effective path planning and object avoidance. The robot is powered by a robust 5200 mAh battery, allowing for up to 180 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. This endurance covers a maximum cleaning area of approximately 335 square meters, making it well suited for large homes or multi-floor apartments. The Roborock app provides a modern and intuitive interface for controlling the Qrevo Edge 5V1. Users can schedule cleaning sessions, customize water flow, and select between various modes. One notable addition is the Smart Plan mode, which enables the robot to automatically decide whether to vacuum or mop based on real-time conditions. This level of automation reduces user intervention and optimizes cleaning performance. The mid-range robot vacuum market is highly competitive, with several standout models offering unique strengths. Ecovacs T80 Omni emphasizes superior mopping with its Osmo roller technology. Xiaomi X20 Max integrates seamlessly with Xiaomi's extensive IoT ecosystem for smart home users. Roborock's Qrevo Edge 5V1 differentiates itself by focusing on corner and edge cleaning, an area where mid-tier vacuums often fall short. Thanks to its flexible side brush and mop design, the high suction power, combined with advanced mop cleaning and drying capabilities, gives it a strong edge for users prioritizing thoroughness and ease of maintenance. Roborock Qrevo Edge 5V1 brings premium cleaning features to the mid-range market segment, especially excelling at cleaning corners and edges with its innovative Flexi Arm brush and mop system. With strong suction power, intelligent navigation, and a versatile charging dock that washes and dries mops automatically, this robot vacuum is a compelling choice for consumers looking for powerful, hassle-free cleaning without stepping into the premium price bracket. In the coming weeks, a detailed performance review will provide deeper insights into its real-world effectiveness and how it stacks up against other top contenders in the mid-range robot vacuum space. For now, Roborock has certainly raised the bar, making the Qrevo Edge 5V1 an exciting option for those seeking a balance of power, intelligence, and convenience.